Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about best work from home business for the beginner. So, let's discuss this topic until the end. So, number one point is that buy product in bulks and sell them in online. So, it is a best way and good way for you can buy and purchase your product in a bulky way. So, you will get the good amount of discounts and you can sell a particular product the online way. So when you do that, you get the earning the higher incomes. We think for the if you want to think for the large business model, then you can also sell the products in a bulk of sellings and trending products. Which kind of products are to be trending? So you should have to know which kind of trending products are available. They you should have to analyze for the niche market. Which kind of market niche are available? You should have to understand for niche markets. Attachment designing corporations. So you should have to design your certain products in an authentic way. So you should have that product will get sale immediately. Where you can sell your products, you can sell your products in such a varieties of way in Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and you can also sell your product in Shopify dropshipping also. You can also do the dropshipping business model. So if you don't know knowledge about all about dropshipping, how to start dropshipping business, so click on this I button and watch that entire video. So even if you can also do like that certain way in using like the dropshipping also. Sell homemade products. So homemade products like you can also homemade products like certain cookies you can make it, you can make the cakes, pantries. When you do like that, you can also sell the products online or either you can sell offline way also. So if you are makers or homemakers, the consider the turning and hobbies for any kind of businesses, items crafters, and for the any kind of studio workshops or any kind of so selling the independent goods. You can also sell any kind of effective way. You need to buy from their particular shops. So crafts brands and you can create any kind of branding for any kind of logo. When you create the branding, when you can create the branding, you can create a branding when you can create a certain crafty brands and you can create a certain logo and giving them logo to that particular person, they can create the brand awareness when you can create a certain products. Dropshipping stores. So what are the dropshipping business? You can start a dropshipping business model also. These are the first two tips. For that you can buy and create the inventory basis. So but what if you can sell the products in online way when you're doing the dropshipping also? So you can sell your own products in dropshipping for business model also. So in other words, dropshipping suppliers are give you the commissions and making the sale also. While they can take care for storing and product to the customers. So dropshipping, if you don't know how to start a dropshipping business, you can click on this I button and watch that video also. Start print on demand business. So what is print and demand business? So you can start the printing business like t-shirt, mugs or any kind of printing demand products. You can also sell that product to the online market or either you can also sell in offline market also. So print on demand products is another home business products to sell and doesn't require for hold on inventory also. You can hold your inventory and then you can also print and demand as services to the owner. You can branding in original way. You can also doing the branding and labeling of products and as per the customer requirement and as per the customer wants. There are many printed demands products you can sell it. You can sell the books, hats, then backpacks, and then you can blanket, pillow, mug, shoes, or hoodies, and all these kind of sell your printed demanded products. So many printed demand products have to get the scenes and specific niches for their like they want. Then next is topic is teach online classes. You can teach the online classes what you want. Suppose if you like to teach the guitar, how to play with guitar, so you can also do this kind of online classes also. Monetize your expertise. You can also monetize your expertise for some services or teaching for the businesses, and takes a lot of time for that. How are the some way to add service based products to your business? Number one, you can also sell your courses. Number two, design. Number third is that my licensable assets. Number four, downloadable reports. Number five, digital template. Number six, you can also do merchandise. Number seven is ebooks. So you can do all these things and sell your products to the online as well as at offline also. So this is the way you can earn any kind of business using at home also at a beginner. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative. So thank you.